How to add stops to a trip in Waymo. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Waymo on your device. As it's written in the article of Waymo, to add stops, adding stop has a number of benefits. Change plans on the go, continue your trip after picking up or dropping off a friend, or plan all your stops. And also, we can't keep the same car for you, so during a stop, please take your stuffs with you. A different car will arrive for the next part of your trip. Please don't leave items or passengers unattended in the vehicle. So make sure you take all the products that you have and go away. After you add stops, you can add it in the app. You can go to your trip and then press on add stop. You can go there and get off the car, and for next stop of your trip you find another car. This is how to add stops to a trip in Waymo. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.